Hello and welcome to video number 5. In this video we're going to be writing our second bass line. Let's go back and have a listen to what we've done in the previous video. We're going to be adding a bass line over the second chord progression, starting from bar 25. Drop your cursor to the end of bar 28 and make sure that your bass instrument track is selected. We're going to be using notes E, D and A on the keyboard. On your musical typing, this is going to be the semicolon, the L and the H. Have a listen to the melody and practice at home. When you're happy with it, let's record. Well done, make sure yours sounds very similar to mine. Now we're going to go ahead and open the MIDI editor as we're going to check the timing and the pitching. Same as the last video, I'm going to select all and quantize it. As you can see, it did not quantize to exactly where I wanted it, so I'll just need to go in and edit a few notes by hand. Like that note there. That one here. Much better. We're going to loop this second bass line to the end of bar 36. And once again, make sure to save your work. I will see you in the next video where we will be adding our melody.